Hey, what's going on, mustard sluts? I'm here to show you guys a nice little quick and easy snack you can make your mom for mustard day. It is still Canadian Mustard Week. A little cooking tip right here from the kitchen of Chris. And today I'm going to show you how to do a little trick of mine called the triple threat. So first of all, I'm going to get my dogs ready. They've already been cooking. They're a little overcooked. Nice and brown, like we all like them. I boil these first, and then I fry them in butter. Little quick helpful tip to help you get diabetes or cancer just a little bit faster. Okay, next I'm going to garnish it with some sliced Spanish onion. L'onion d'Espagnol is what they call it somewhere else. Okay, I also got a little bit of this cabbage mix here. I'm going to just dump on. This looks terrible, but that's what I'm going for, folks. The king of terrible, young Chris Ryan. Okay, so now that I got that, I'm here with my good, wholesome Canadian mustard that I have, held together, of course, with the wasabi tape, you know, representing all the time, fashion, and flavor. Here I go. I got my 3 dogs in the mix. Let's get the mustard right down at the tip, so there's no mistaking who the fuck it is when I come through, okay? Pop that open, pop that open, pop that. We popping bottles, bitch. And already, here we go. Oh, okay, that didn't work very well, but either way, I got to get on camera, swear, and enjoy some mustard. So, from me and all the mustard family, happy Canadian Mustard Week and happy Mustard Day to all the mustard mothers out there. Love you. That's pretty good. Bye for now. See you next year.